Hey YouTube, welcome back to my channel. I'm glad you're here today and taking time out of your day to watch one of my videos. Recently I did a review for Amazon Vine on a blade for my weed eater, my Husqvarna weed eater. And I thought maybe there would be some viewers on this channel that might find that kind of interesting. It replaces the string with a regular metal blade, which I can really use out here because I live kind of out in the country. And I have a lot of primitive underbrush and stuff that I try to keep down the best I can. And I'm hoping this blade will fit the bill. Anyway, we're going to take a look at that today. We'll be right back. Today we're going to do a review on an attachment for a weed eater. This is a 10-inch blade. Got 3 teeth, and the teeth are double-sided. It's made by a company called Kitmose, K-I-T-M-O-S-E. Not sure exactly how you're going to pronounce that, but let's take it apart. Open it up. I bought this from a Husqvarna weed eater because I live in the country and my grass is kind of primitive. It has a lot of underbrush and stuff in it, so I'm hoping this will help make my job easier when I'm trimming it. Alright, it came in this plastic bag. That's all it came with. Did not come in a box. It's got a bunch of parts here because this kit will fit several different brands of weed eaters. On the back here, it has all the instructions to put it on there. On the front, it shows there's 2 envelopes. There was 3 teeth. I got 2 of them for some reason. I don't know if that is a part of what I ordered or I just accidentally got 2. There's one, and it is, like I said, sharpened on both edges. So once you dull it, you can just flip it over and use the other edge. These should both be identical. Yeah, looks like they're identical. So I actually have 2 of them. They're a bit on the thin side. I would have thought they'd been a little thicker. But they are indeed sharpened on both edges. These, in these plastic bags, you have several different adapters, nuts and washers, a hex key, kind of gear. In the second bag, you have more adapters, flat tip screwdriver, and more washers and adapters. So what we're going to do is we're going to take the kit over to my workbench and we'll set up the weed eater on it, and we'll get it put on it and installed, and then we'll go outside and cut some weeds with it, and I'll give you my opinion. Okay, on my Husqvarna, this may be different from your model. This is the 128 LD Husqvarna model. There's a hole right here on the bottom, and you can stick an Allen wrench or some other narrow object And that locks that head in place so it can't spin. And then on this one, you have to turn it clockwise to take it off. So it would be opposite of a screw or a bolt. You would want to screw it clockwise to remove this. Once that's removed, take that off. And it looks like, I want to make sure I keep that together so I don't lose it. Alright, that goes on there like that. This goes over the top. And then one of these bolts not sure which one goes on this one. That can't be right because it's not going all the way down. So by process of elimination,
we must proceed by process of elimination.
We're going to put that on there like that. And put my thing back in there to keep it from moving on me. Huh. Oh, that's backwards threads. That's why I'm trying to put it on the old-fashioned way. Basically, I guess you use process of elimination. What fits on your particular brand weed eater and what doesn't. I wish it would have came with better instructions. There is a diagram on the Amazon website that kind of shows you how to put it on, but it's not real involved. You want to go that way. Snug it up a little bit, but not too tight. You don't want to bust anything. Okay, and that's on there. It's nice and tight. Spins freely. We're going to take it outside and see how it works. Seems to work pretty good, but we're going to give it 4 stars because I think the instructions could have been better, and I wish they would have included it with the product instead of having to go on the Amazon website to see how it goes together. Other than that, works good. Well, hope that was a helpful video for you. If you're looking for a blade for your weed eater, I can recommend this one. It seemed pretty good. It did a good job of cutting a lot of that underbrush. Anyway, we're fixing to start another project that I plan on taping. Matter of fact, we're fixing to start 2 of them. I'm going to start one today and start shooting some video on it. And then the other one has to do with that box right there. And that's going to be a mystery project. I still need to go to the lumber yard and get some plywood and stuff to get that one started. I haven't done that yet. But anyway, please like and subscribe to my channel. It would be greatly appreciated. And good luck on your projects. We'll see you next time.